What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, in today's episode, we have to pick up from where we left off yesterday. If you guys can see here on my channel, I made pretty much two videos that we want to go over here. This was 2 days ago in regards to history repeating itself for the third time in regards to a bull flag formation forming on XRP on its daily charts here. And more than that, you were also mentioning in yesterday's video why this week is so important. Big potential for XRP this week for, a breakout to the upside here. You can see we've been seeing tons of consolidation outside of a beautiful pennant flag or downwards flag formation here, whatever you want to call it. Textbook wise, this is huge signs of a break to the upside here, which is pretty much what we're waiting for. Now, moving forward, you can see on these cryptocurrencies here, XRP, this is the third. You can see we have one right here, two right here, and here is the third bull flag formation here, pennant flag, downtrend, whatever you want to call it. And moving forward from that, then looking at things like Ethereum here, where you can see the beautiful pennant flag, the beautiful flag itself, the Elliott impulse wave. We have broken out of the flag itself right here, broke up, consolidating. We're looking for this to break. That's the important thing for today that we're going to go over here. And then Bitcoin here, which has exploded outside its Elliott wave right here to the upside, retesting a major resistance, becoming overbought. That's what we're looking at. And then the S&P, which is continuing to dip lower here. We're not going to know more about this until later on today, but I do believe we are still going to skew lower as we are a bit overbought in my opinion, or we were, and now we're continuing from being overbought to the downside here. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, today is the last day officially to enter the bonus giveaway between BYDFI and I have officially collaborated with BYDFI to bring you a giveaway worth 1,000 XRP to 10 lucky people who will share that prize pool and receive 100 XRP completely free to sell, trade, transfer, do whatever you want with. Transfer it to your bank, withdraw it, so on and so forth here. All you have to do is follow these 3 steps: depositing $100, completing the KYC, and filling out the form in the description. It is that simple. Make sure to enter it because today is the official last day to enter. After today, you won't have that opportunity to do so. You can see literally clicking in the description, scrolling down, this will bring you to this page for the bonus giveaway where you guys should be entering here for a chance to win that giveaway. But with that out of the way, diving into the technical analysis, you guys can clearly see here, top 10 cryptocurrencies is another day of consolidation here. Pretty much all weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we've been just flatlined out completely here. You can see over the past 7 days here, markets have done pretty well, with Bitcoin up almost 15%, Ethereum almost 10%, Cardano up 11%, 6% on Doge. We have coins pretty much across the board, double digits. Litecoin up 14, almost 15, Polkadot's at 15, Wrapped Bitcoin's at 14.8, Avalanche is up 20% here. You can see we're doing some incredible things over the week, but recently, over the past couple of days, we have been trading sideways here. A lot of these cryptos have been flatlining out because of the weekend. Most of the time, that's what causes it. Now, moving forward here, you can see on a lot of these cryptos, it's really Ethereum and Bitcoin that are kind of trading sideways here. Ethereum is a prime example of that ever since last week, we've pretty much just been floating like this, retesting top resistance here. But I want to talk about XRP first, then we'll look at these major altcoins here. Now, you can see on XRP, we've been tracking, and as I made that video with history repeating itself for the third time, we typically see XRP kind of form these kind of descending fractals here. I just want to zoom in, but you can even see the one that formed here. If I draw it in yellow, you can see the downtrend very, very, very easily. That's my goal. You can see the downtrend right here where we have the top resistance and then we have the yellow support, but it's in a descending fractal nonetheless here. And we kind of have it over and over and over again. But regardless, looking at today's market here, you can see you can either consider this to be a new descending fractal or the continuation of a bull flag breakout. And what I mean by that is looking at the past here, we had the original bull flag breakout where we had the pump upwards into a descending fractal here. We broke out of this resistance, shot up, consolidated, and then rallied to the upside again. If I take that, not what I wanted to do, but if I take this, kind of transfer this to over here, you can kind of see we're having a similar reaction here where the prices, for the most part, have done exactly that, where we consolidated up. You can see here, consolidated up, consolidated down, or we broke up, consolidated down, then broke out of it and consolidated right here. So yet again, similar pattern. So we had the bull run up, we have the bull run up, we have the flagpole itself, or sorry, the flag itself. With the flag itself, we have the breakout, which consolidated and then headed higher. And then we have, again, the breakout, which is consolidating again. And now we're looking for the continuation to the upside here. If you want to go even further than that, just the fact that this is forming a descending fractal 1, descending fractal 2, and then here is potentially descending fractal 3. 3 confirmations, all ideally bullish in regards to where we're going to be moving to. And you can see even further than that, the opportunity that this opens up is the possible buy-in for an upside trade in a conservative sense here. We've been waiting patiently for a very long time. We confirmed closure of our recent breakout. Once we confirmed breaking out through here, that's when we bought in. Then we rallied up even higher here. We did get stopped off pretty quickly right around the 5th of June here. So it's been the rest of the month, about 20 days of consolidation here, about a little over 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks here. But even in that sense here, we're waiting for another opportunity to buy in, and I think it's going to present itself very soon, hopefully this week. And what I mean by that is within this descending fractal, you can see we have a beautiful support in yellow and a beautiful resistance in yellow here. And you can see as we're filling this out here, we're battling this top resistance and we're doing nothing but breaking below it here. And this is enough opportunity for me to realize this is when we should be buying in. So as we slide lower, you can see we're already using this as a support, but even if we break through it, as we slide lower and consolidate here, we're looking for us to break this kind of pinch that we're trading in here, breaking through this. So as we fall, we're looking to confirm closure above something like this. That's when we can buy in and leverage to the upside here. So really, like I said, again, waiting conservatively for us to break through this yellow resistance here. That's the opportunity to buy in and leverage to the upside on XRP. Obviously, doing that trade on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BYDFI, including the opportunity to trade XRP, which not many exchanges offer. This is where we do it. This is where we do all the trades that you guys watch here on the channel. So make sure to check this out. Link is down in the description below. They even have a demo account where you can get $100,000 in crypto, $100,000 in Monopoly Money crypto, completely free, and it allows you to get familiar and trade around risk-free on the exchange. Consider it like a simulator, which is super cool, and it gets you familiar with the platform and ready and see how everything works, which is awesome. So make sure to check that out. The best part is they even offer a demo account, which gives you, a welcome rewards, which allows you to earn up to $2,888 completely free by filling out some of the same tasks that will enter you into the BYDFI giveaway here. So make sure to check out the giveaway down in the description, and make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. With that being said, diving into the rest of today's video, I want to look at Ethereum and Bitcoin and then wrap things up with the S&P. This is the main focus right now, is on XRP's kind of consolidation, this kind of top resistance here. You can see if we wanted to take the top resistance, or the 4-hour charts here, you can clearly tell where we have a price ceiling. And you can clearly tell where we have a price floor, where we have done nothing but break through this. You can see kind of the movements here. Done nothing but break through the top and done nothing to break through the bottom here. And this is forming a new wave. When we see this breakthrough, that's the opportunity to buy in. More of a moderate to aggressive scale here. But as we consolidate here, or even if we consolidate up, if we can break through price ceiling, that's an opportunity to leverage to the upside. We break through the floor. It's a short down to moving average. That's pretty much the two targets for Ethereum in regards to what's going on. And you can see it clear as day here how it does align itself pretty well, I'd say. And if you wait for the 4-hour, it might actually pan itself out as a more of a conservative scale, because that's higher than the price ceiling we're dealing with. It's actually almost right on the price ceiling of where you can see the tops of these previous candles are. Otherwise, a drop down to moving average would be suspected, and also a drop down to the price floor here, this kind of the top of this downtrend here, would be prime. So those are the two opportunities of when to buy in. You can focus on the 4-hour. I think it's more beneficial for right now than the daily, but they're both pretty good if you ask me. But focus on this. That's what I'm paying attention to. The way this kind of ascending fractal is forming here is key for seeing and harnessing the Ethereum breakout here. Lastly, looking at Bitcoin, which is kind of hitting a top. It is hitting a top here. Seeing that peak, the more we consolidate, the lower we're going to go, which is nice. So we were at 71. Now we're down to like 68. But even then, I would fathom there's a bigger chance for us to head lower before we head upwards here. Because we're overbought, there's a good chance more correction is to come before we see that break. And then lastly, to wrap things up with the S&P 500, I'm just a strong believer we need to head lower here. You could see the tops or the bottoms, and I think we're needing another bottom again. You can see higher low, higher low, higher low. We're looking for, again, a higher low, and this will continue us to scale to the upside here. How low would we actually go? I'm thinking somewhere between the green and white band. I think either here and we'll reverse up, or here and we'll reverse up. Probably the white band seems more accurate than the top, but we'll see kind of how this pans out today. But I think we are in a general direction to the downside. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.